You don't have to call a contractor every time something goes haywire in your house. Today, we're talking about 4 fixes every homeowner and renter should know. When it comes to a clogged pipe, pouring harsh chemicals down your drain should not be your first option. A more long-term solution is using a small plunger or snake to remove the problem mechanically. Once the main clog has been removed, you then want to pour 1 cup of baking soda, 4 cups of boiling water, and 1 cup of vinegar, and the chemical reaction will actually remove the rest of the debris. The next thing you should be aware of is where your main water shutoff valve is located in case anything springs a leak. They're generally located around the perimeter of your home, near the ground, close to your water meter. You want to check in your basement, closet, or garage. They're never covered up by drywall. They should always have an access panel, just in case. You should also know how to find a wall stud if you want to hang any shelves or paintings. Start by locating an electrical outlet. The receptacles are normally attached to one side of the stud. From there, you want to move out, and they're located every 16 inches. You can also tap on the wall, listen for some hollowness, and then the noise will change as you get closer to the next stud. Additionally, if you have a really bright flashlight, you can look for imperfections in the walls. Those are where the nails are located, and those are nailed into the studs. My most important tidbit is to change your air filter every single month. A lot of people think that the air filter is to purify their air. It is not. It is to protect your system. You should also get maintenance on it twice a year, have a contractor come in, look at it every spring and fall. But you yourself should be changing that filter every single month because a dirty filter shortens the lifespan of your HVAC and they are expensive to replace. Pro tip, in the winter, keep your thermostat at 68 degrees and in the summer, 78 degrees for highest efficiency. This has been Getting Housed with Paul. Cheers.